Hey, it's Patrick, JMO, and Hunter from NFlight, and today we're gonna go on a formation air-to-air flight around Bend. I'm gonna show you a couple of the cameras, kind of a behind-the-scenes look at how we do this.
Let's do it.
All right, because we're doing an air-to-air with Hunter's awesome RV7, we wanna make sure we capture as many angles as possible. So on this strut clamp, we're utilizing both sides. Our strut clamps come with one ball head, but on the opposite side, there's a threaded hole that you can add another ball head, creating a double ender. So we're gonna run one camera in video and the other camera in time-lapse, capturing stills twice a second. Every half second, we'll capture a still image so that we have great stills to work with as well. Then on the tail, we used our tie-down mount to set up a tail cam right here that we're gonna run video off of as well. So we have 3 cameras running to capture our air-to-air photo shoot.
Everybody knows the baby is free. Will I get to see what it sees? Will I get to see what it sees?
We're here at the RV, which is the subject of our photo mission. This is Hunter's personal airplane, and it's an absolutely beautiful example of an RV7. I'm excited to get to fly it this afternoon. On the wing here, we've got a spanner plate with a Hero12 on a ball head. And then on the tail wheel stinger, we have our tube mount as well, holding another GoPro.
Everybody knows the baby is free. Will I get to see what it sees? Will I get to see what it sees?
You could pull it in tighter if you want, but it does look good right here.
Perfect. Everything you're doing flying is working excellent for me.
Dismantling you and me. Dismantling you and me. Sometimes the darkness wants to stay.
Oh my God, look how beautiful that looks. Oh my God.
That lava flow is crazy.
That makes me want to fade to gray. And that would be alright. That would be alright. Sometimes I wanna go back to zero. 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 Sometimes